Welcome to the Anna Darpan Movement Module Demo. In this session, we will look at how to perform a movement by road operation. Log in as divisional or regional staff. Under Movement by Road, navigate to create MBR. Fill all required fields like movement type, intra-region or inter-division, source depot, destination depot, commodity, variety, total quantity, start date and end date, and submit. Next, the General Manager region logs in and navigates to the movement list page. The Regional Manager views and recommends the newly created movement to the Zonal Office. As it's an inter-region movement request, the Zonal Officer logs in and navigates to the movement list page. The user views and approves the newly created movement. Depot level operations begins with Create Outward Token. At the source depot, the truck arrives. The gate in charge logs in, navigates to Create Outward Token, enters the truck and destination depot details, and submits the form. A token number is generated. The weighbridge in charge logs in, navigates to the In Weight page, selects the token. The truck proceeds to the weighbridge, records the empty truck weight, selects stacks, and submits the form. The in-weight slip is generated. At the shed in charge logs in, selects the token under Loading, assigns bags against stacks, and submits the loading form. The manager QC logs in, navigates to Update Moisture, and records the moisture level of the outgoing commodity. The loaded truck returns to the weighbridge. The weighbridge in charge navigates to Outweight, captures the loaded weight, and submits the form to generate the outweight slip. The weighbridge in charge then navigates to Generate Truck Chit, selects the token, and generates the truck chit. The truck reaches the gate for exit. The gate in charge selects the token under Exit Gate Pass, fills in the required details and submits the form to mark the truck's exit. The time when the gate in charge marks the truck exit at the source depot, a token will be created at the destination depot for the exit truck. Manager depot will log in and navigate to the MBR closure, select the movement type and movement, enter the remarks, and close the movement. At this stage, DDR daily dispatch report and stack reports in the source depot automatically reflect the deduction of issued commodities. The invert process begins at the destination depot. The gate in charge logs in and navigates to invert token. Scans or manually selects the token. The system displays movement details for invert operations. The gate in charge verifies the required details and submits the form. The truck proceeds to the weighbridge. The weighbridge in charge selects the token under in weight, records the gross weight, selects stacks for stacking, and submits the form. The in-weight slip is generated. The manager QC logs in, navigates to record quality, and captures quality parameters of the incoming commodity. The truck reaches the shed. The shed in charge selects the token under stacking, assigns bags per stack based on stacking activity, and submits the form. The empty truck returns to the weighbridge. The weighbridge in charge navigates to outweight, selects the token, records the empty weight, and submits the form. The outweight slip is generated. The gate in charge navigates to exit gate pass, selects the token, and submits the form to mark the exit. The truck exits from the depot. The manager depot navigates to the token list, selects the required token, and then finalizes the operation under update register, confirming all activities. The manager depot logs in and navigates to the MBR closure. Select the movement type and movement name, verify the details, enter the remarks, and click Close MBR for the movement. Reports such as DSR Daily Statement of Receipts and Stack Activity Reports are updated automatically, showing the inward movement and updated commodity balance at the destination depot. This concludes the showcasing of the intra-region movement by road operations. Thank you.